In today's electronics industry, success depends on more than just individual components. It depends on complete integrated solutions, built with precision, tested for reliability, and delivered on time. That's where Anzer USA's box build assembly services make the difference. From complex enclosures to fully assembled and tested systems, Anzer USA delivers box build solutions you can trust. What is box build assembly? Box build assembly, also known as systems integration, goes beyond PCB manufacturing. It includes the complete assembly of electronic products, from installing printed circuit boards into enclosures, to wiring, cable assemblies, connectors, hardware installation, labeling, and final system integration. At Anzer USA, box build assembly is handled with the same attention to detail and quality as every other manufacturing process. Anzer USA offers full-service box build assembly, tailored to meet your exact requirements. Their capabilities include mechanical assembly, PCB installation, wiring and harness integration, cable routing, and sub-assembly integration. Whether your product requires metal or plastic enclosures, custom hardware, or complex internal layouts, Anzer's experienced team ensures every unit is assembled accurately and consistently. From low-volume prototypes to full production runs, Anzer USA scales with your needs. Quality is never an afterthought at Anzer USA. Every box build assembly undergoes thorough inspection and testing to ensure functionality, reliability, and compliance with specifications. This includes visual inspections, functional testing, electrical testing, and verification of wiring and connections. By identifying issues early and maintaining strict quality standards, Anzer USA delivers box build assemblies that perform reliably in real-world environments. Anzer USA's box build assembly services support a wide range of industries where reliability is critical. These include industrial automation, telecommunications, medical devices, aerospace, defense, and custom electronic systems. No matter the application, Anzer USA understands the importance of durability, precision, and consistent performance, especially in mission-critical environments. Why choose Anzer USA? Clients choose Anzer USA for more than just assembly services. They choose a manufacturing partner that offers engineering support, clear communication, flexible production, and dependable delivery. With decades of experience, a skilled workforce, and a commitment to quality, Anzer USA helps reduce supply chain complexity by providing end-to-end box build solutions under one roof. The result? Faster time to market and greater confidence in your finished product. If you're looking for a trusted partner for reliable, high-quality box build assembly services, Anzer USA is ready to support your project. From concept to final system integration, Anzer USA delivers solutions built to perform. Visit anzerusa.com today to learn more or request a quote. Anzer USA, your complete electronics manufacturing partner.